Welcome to our discussion on augmented and virtual reality. Understanding augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. In this session, we will explore augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, two transformative technologies that have revolutionized the way we interact with digital content and the world around us. Augmented reality, or AR, is a technology that overlays digital elements, such as images, videos, or 3D models, onto the real world. It enhances our perception of reality by adding digital information to what we see, hear, or feel. AR is commonly experienced through smartphone apps, AR glasses, and headsets. On the other hand, virtual reality, or VR, immerses users in entirely computer-generated environments. When you put on a VR headset, you are transported to a virtual world that can be entirely different from the physical space you're in. VR provides a sense of presence and can be used for gaming, training, simulations, and more. Overview of AR and VR technologies and their applications. Now let's delve into the technologies behind AR and VR. Both AR and VR rely on a combination of hardware and software. Specialized headsets, sensors, and cameras track your movements and the surrounding environment. These devices provide an interactive and immersive experience. The applications of AR and VR are diverse and far-reaching, from enhancing gaming experiences to revolutionizing education and healthcare. These technologies are transforming various industries. We'll explore some of these applications in more detail. Benefits and challenges of implementing AR and VR. Implementing AR and VR technologies comes with its set of advantages and challenges. On the positive side, AR and VR can significantly enhance user experiences and engagement. They are used in training simulations such as flight or medical training, where mistakes can be made without real-world consequences. In architecture and design, they allow for 3D visualization, making it easier to understand complex structures. However, there are challenges to consider. High-quality AR and VR hardware can be expensive, limiting accessibility. Some users may experience motion sickness in VR environments. Privacy concerns, especially in AR, also need to be addressed as these technologies blend digital and real-world experiences. Impact of AR and VR on industries. AR and VR have made a profound impact on a wide range of industries. In the gaming industry, VR gaming immerses players in virtual worlds, creating experiences that were once only imaginable. AR games, on the other hand, blend digital elements with the real world, encouraging users to explore their surroundings. Education benefits from interactive learning experiences. Students can engage with historical events, explore the human body, or travel to distant planets, all from the classroom. Healthcare professionals use VR for surgical training, pain management, and patient therapy. AR assists in surgeries by providing real-time data and visual guidance. In architecture and design, AR and VR enable architects and designers to visualize buildings and interiors in 3 dimensions, streamlining the design process. Entertainment extends beyond gaming. VR movies and AR apps are changing how we consume media and telling stories in innovative ways. Future prospects and advancements in AR and VR. The future of AR and VR is promising, with numerous advancements on the horizon. Hardware will become lighter and more powerful, making headsets more comfortable and accessible. Software will continue to improve, offering even more realistic graphics and AI-driven interactions. AR and VR are expected to expand into new domains. Industrial use cases, like remote maintenance and repair, will become more prevalent. Tourism will be enhanced with AR-guided tours. Artists will explore new mediums and experiences. Moreover, integration with other emerging technologies, such as artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, will create smarter and more interactive environments. These technologies will be seamlessly interwoven into our daily lives. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of augmented and virtual reality. If you found this session informative and engaging, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay connected and informed about the latest developments in emerging technologies and their impact on our world. Feel free to reach out with any questions or comments. We look forward to seeing you in our future sessions.